Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel. That is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Today I'm going to teach you in 3dsmax how to use the chamfer modifier and for what purpose we use chamfer modifier. Before showing you that, let's subscribe my channel and also share with your friends, family, colleagues and fellows. Without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Now take a box in perspective viewport and drag it upward. Apply chamfer modifier. It basically makes a smoothness. It gives smoothness to the edges of the box or any kind of shape. The edges, it smooths the edges. Now you can see the depth. It gives smoothness. Now it increases its the edges, their corners. It makes bigger. Now it gives the depth type is good for fixed when we use uh, it's better to have a depth type fixed, not by weight. I should prefer the fixed option in depth type. It gives smoothness, as you can see the edges. And for amount, when you increase the amount, it gives the corners, it makes the bigger their size if you increase the amount. And for depth, it gives smoothness when you have a depth option. With that, I have told you how to use the chamfer modifier. I will be back with the next tutorial. Do subscribe my channel. That is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer.